I have a headache. I have a headache. My eyes are burning. My eyes are burning. I have a runny nose. I have a runny nose. My hand feels numb. My hand feels numb. I have a high fever. I have a high fever. I feel dizzy today. I feel dizzy today. I caught a cold. I caught a cold. My leg is swollen. My leg is swollen. I have pain in my neck. I have pain in my neck. My ear is hurting badly. My ear is hurting badly. My throat hurts. My throat hurts. My chest feels heavy. My chest feels heavy. My stomach feels bloated. My stomach feels bloated. My joints are hurting. My joints are hurting. My stomach is upset. My stomach is upset. I feel sick after eating. I feel sick after eating. I feel short of breath. I feel short of breath. I cannot sleep at night. I cannot sleep at night. I cannot move my arms properly. I cannot move my arms properly. I have a skin rash. I have a skin rash. I have pain in my knees. I have pain in my knees. My fingers are swollen. My fingers are swollen.
I feel pain while walking. I feel pain while walking.
I keep sneezing all day. I keep sneezing all day. My eyes are watery. My eyes are watery.